Hello and welcome to day 2 of our series 1 Excel Formula a Day. Today we are going to learn about transpose function. Now, say suppose you have this data in a horizontal way wherein the data January, February, March, April are there in different columns, and there are these are some codes associated with these months. Now, what I do is I want to have this data in a transposed way, means the horizontal data should be converted into the vertical one in a vertical way. So for that, what I have to do is, if this data will come in two rows, four rows and two columns, so I have to select the area of operation, and then we have to start any formula with equals to in Excel. The formula is transpose. Now here it asks us about the array. In a layman's term, array is nothing but the data which we are working upon. So close the bracket. Now we have to press Control, Shift and Enter. Now see, all our data has been transposed into this way. Now let's try to convert this vertical data into the horizontal in one row. So in that way, I have to select the number of cells. So 6 cells, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one more 6. I have to start with the equal to sign. Type transpose, bracket open, select the data, and now remember Control, Shift and Enter. Now it has been done. So now, before we move ahead, we could have done this with another function, that is paste special. So how we could do it? First we have to select the number of cells, the field, Control C, and now select Control plus Alt and plus V. This is the shortcut for paste special, and under paste special there we have at the bottom transpose. I click on this, equals to this, and see, this has been done. So you could have used transpose, you could have used paste special and then transpose. Now the transpose as a function, as a formula, has a unique utility. Now see here, for example, I am changing this cell April 80 82. I say I am giving it the code 10000. The moment I click here, also it has changed. So when we give it a formula equals to transpose and then select the area of operation, the array, they are linked together. These are dynamic fields wherein under this way, the paste special way, if I change 3 over here, 3 to say I am doing it 10, this has not got changed. So this is the main difference between paste special and transpose function. And remember, for paste special, the shortcut key is Control plus Alt plus V. Hope you liked it. Keep sharing it. Thank you so very much. See you on day 3.